Fingerprints are one of the most amazing features unique to each individual. Today, forensic science relies on these fingerprints to accurately identify people, whether in criminal cases or identity verification. But what are the key scientific facts about fingerprints? Unique to each person, no two people, not even identical twins, have the same fingerprints. This makes fingerprints a highly accurate tool for identifying individuals. Permanent throughout life, fingerprints do not change over time. From the moment a person is born until their death, their fingerprints remain constant. Even if someone suffers injuries or cuts, the underlying pattern of their fingerprints remains intact and regenerates over time. Role in forensic science. Since their discovery in the late 19th century, fingerprints have become a cornerstone in forensic investigations. They are used to identify criminals, unknown bodies, and even in fraud detection. Physical characteristics. Fingerprints are composed of intricate patterns of ridges and valleys on the surface of the skin. These patterns form in the fetus during the early weeks of development and remain unchanged throughout life. Scientists have discovered that these patterns are influenced by both genetics and environmental factors, making them completely unique to every person. What is truly remarkable is that the Quran referenced this scientific miracle over 1,400 years ago, at a time when humans had no knowledge of fingerprints or their role in identity. The Quran contains a verse that speaks about God's ability to recreate the human body, specifically mentioning fingertips. Allah says in Surah Al-Qiyamah, in its meaning, does man think that we will not assemble his bones? Yes, we are able even to proportion his fingertips. Surah Al-Qiyamah 3-4. This verse does not only speak about reconstructing the human body but specifically mentions fingertips. It is fascinating to consider why Allah chose to highlight fingertips in the context of resurrection. Today, we know that fingerprints contain a unique identity marker for every individual, something that was unknown to people at that time. In conclusion, human fingerprints are not just simple patterns on the skin. They are a unique and intricate form of identification that science has only fully understood in recent centuries. The fact that the Quran mentioned the fingertips specifically over 1,400 years ago, when such knowledge was completely unknown to humanity, is a clear sign of the divine origin of the Quran. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of the miracle of human fingerprints in science and the Quran. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more enlightening discussions on the intersection of science and faith, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.